Radhavalabh Siri everyone. This is the CBSE Board 9th class questions, and I have taken the two questions which is the importance. These questions based on the algebraic equation or identities, but it may be the difficult or challenging for us. So let's how to solve. And if you know on my channels, please subscribe and share these videos to all the friends. Let's start how to solve these three questions and what are the way. Starting the question first, we need to write the some important algebraic equations here. So a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. This is the very important identities of the algebraic expression. This is the first formulas, and we need to also use the second formula a cube plus b cube. Okay, equals to, you can write like a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, these two formula can be used in both the expressions, and with the help of this formula we can evaluate the value of given expression. So let us start in the first questions. There is given x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64. So basically we implement the a cube plus b cube's identities. So simply you write x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. Okay, and remains part you can write like minus 12xy plus 64. Okay, and here x plus 1 minute, they have given the conditions x plus y equal minus 4 is the given, so must be put in this situation. So here x plus y equals, you can write minus 4 in brackets and simply write the x square plus y square minus xy minus 12xy plus 64. Okay, you can take the common of 4 over here. You can take simply common minus 4 and you will get x square plus y square minus xy. Here it will be the plus 12, 4 3 is 12, that means 3xy and minus 60. Okay, 16 4 is 64, so it will be the minus 16. And next we have again calculate on this the basis, must take the equal signs. Okay, here minus 4 into x square plus y square, here minus xy and it will be the plus 3xy, so must write plus 2xy and minus 16. Okay, and next you can write minus 4 x plus y ka whole to the power 2 minus 16. Okay, because x plus y the whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, so must be write directly as a factorized form. So minus 4 into x plus y equals to minus 4 is given, so you take the square. Okay, and minus 16. After that you will get minus 4 into plus 16 minus 16, that is it is coming the finally 0. Okay, what will be the final 0 for this algebraic expression? The final 0. Okay, that means the final answer of this expressions will be the 0. Okay, so this is the way to solve the question number first, and you can also solve the question number 2 by using this formula. Okay, so take the question number 2. What is the question number 2? Here question number 2 is the given. Question number 2, x cube minus 8y cube minus 36xy minus 260 when x equal 2y plus 6. So here x equal 2y plus 6, if I write x minus 2y equals 6, then it will be no any problem for anyone. So you can write like, okay, now you can factorize these two parts, x cube minus 8y cube. This is the given the perfect cube over here. So you can simply write equals to x ka whole square minus 2y ka whole to the power 3. Okay, here it will be the a cube minus b cube, and similarly write 36xy minus 216. And you know a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b, that means x minus 2y In brackets you write x square plus 4y square, and here it will be the plus 2xy, 2xy, and remains part you write minus 30xy minus 216. Okay, similarly you can write. And next term we have again x minus 2y equals 6, so must here put, okay, 6, and in brackets you write x square plus 4y square plus 2xy, and so you can take the bracket, and after that we have the minus sign 36xy minus 216. So similarly you can write like take the common of the 6, okay, 6 into x square plus 4y square plus 2xy minus 6 6 are 36. You can take the common of 6, okay, so it will be divided by 6xy and minus 36. Okay, here plus 2xy and minus 6xy, so simply you can write 6 into x square plus 4 square and minus 4xy minus 36. Okay, again x square plus 4y square minus 4xy. This is the factorizations of the x minus 2y whole to the power 2. Okay, and outside of the brackets here the 2 6, and inside there is the minus 36. So again you can write 6 into 6 ka whole square minus 36 equals to, you can show here, 6 into 36 minus 36, again it is coming the 0, again it is coming 0, 6 into 0, that is the 0. Okay, so also 0 is the answer for the second question. You can write the final answer of this expression is the 0. So I have done all two questions in details way, and I got it, okay, 0 for both the questions. So this is the way for the solutions, and you can solve, okay, many questions on this the basis. So I will meet with another videos. Till then, goodbye.